Shubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Katba kisngi kilanang yai telun bat kilanang jan syakajing thep ya ka vote nak benta ki kertong jongki bane khun ki election MP shapo ka yeng dorbar ka lok sabha kabanlong ha khat khandai tarik ubnaya yong arhajar arpusau sa Shisien pat nakalyang ka hanyo trap integrated territorial organization students wing mandakasngi ka khat ar tarik ubnaya yong arhajar arpusau kalalet ban penlong ya ka jing Pynsngewthuh Paidbah hakabede ka jing koridor jong ka election MP bat bakum kinong shong shnong jong ka jala ki de ban thap ru ya ka vote jong ki dak ba puson bha khnang ba ukertong uban long kum UMP udi ban long uta unong mi khmat uban wan ra ya ka roi ka par ka bha kamyat bat ban Pynsngewthuh ya ki mat ki jura jong ki pat khasi bat jaintia hapo parliament kumban shukdaw hangne nakalyang ka Hito students wing kelas dang ning kong ya ka ki jing Pynsngewthuh Paidbah haka Henry tarik ubnaya yong arhajar arpusau lingba ki khana pulie kata na po ka phalau jong ka St. Edmunds College bat terter syaki surok ki badan hakit han kalaj umkhra Shillong nakalyang ka seng hene ka sngipat kalalet man Pynsngewthuh Paidbah sa hakibenta jong ka Don Bosco Square halaj umkhra bat kumjuru hapo ka phalau jong ka St. Anthony's College nakalyang ki khana pule ki penpau bakum ki samla ki kwa bakite ki MP ken phai khmat bha hakalyang jong ki samla hakalyang ban thau ki lat ai kam ai jam ban kan tiu ka pule puthi hapo ka jala hakilyang baro kabakan thop lang ru ya jingkan tiu ya tulop jong kinong hikai namar khlam kinong hikai kum ki khana pule kinom long satya kum baki long menta bat kum ki kertong ki de ban wan ra ru daki an ki ban yada ya kari bat ka jaj ban riu ru
the kawai ngan kwa coalition api kai pi kwa no candidate api no kertong jong pi api election what request na ki ak kwa
ka request namata mamata kasgo baka majority ki vote ki wana ki youth 65% ki wanda ki youth ki balong no show new epic ki no new voters mata tengah na kwa baki MP ki candidate mata kin fokus phaya ka youth mata ka employment mata ka development ka state mata ki ka development bat ki banwara ki law suru ki banyada ya kari berjaya pendil macam ni bat
kawai ru kalong your duty as a voter kum ka kamram jo pi kum nang vote no dan kamu vote yo kertong uba tip driu temblay start bersampang na te kum ta kertong start bersampang uba wara skim ki babiang wara ki an ki babiang ki wara ka development rena umba shubam ya ka yu bad bayale ka corruption hi ka corruption hani ka jelai ba ni ka jela jo ta kawai mi habiale combat am tu ka corruption ke kawai pat ke kata ban ngin combat yim la bchili ya ki be man ka por surak ke ya kawai ka dik ka vote jengi kala ampede namar kertong udi ka sur jengi om mangi ka sur jengi udi sakri jengi om mangi badi sakri jengi habis sutu kata kuki hospital kita but in the last 76 years ajudan am kertong bakran janai kini ki kimat jongka ri jongka jela jengi ajudan ra kawai hi bingin kam tang kata hi kai dan show mana
usko menta kibur ki ba protes ka mento shram ta mangi ikat ba ki protes ke government ta kamjuran kamdan sentiment han jota kamdan kapi ebet ka example kum tu wangchuk ru hapwa ladak hadu 21 days la fast ngosngo last time ukpajeng ur la fast ka Indira Gandhi kawan hadin 10 days kalawan klai orange ka ai juice yu ma ban break ka fast ru kamta government ta kam tia sai ka protes kamta kalong tang ka voting jengi kalau kani de ka last chance ni bani ihap weng noi ka government bakala berbaik ke government macam ke government thamai tak kata
okay long kawai bi long ka message tong pi kalong ki breaking food stand in vote wisely
in vote ka jing iyo makin perkhat sya ni ka vote nama man ka vote kalong badan kap
okay so the first thing as a student I would want the education policy to be updated because honestly right now I think our state is going very backward and it needs to be updated. There are a lot of skilled people, very educated here, but we are suffering unemployment. Apparently, as we have all seen, it's a very sad reality though we have so much opportunities coming, but we don't get enough exposure. So I think that's something they need to really work on. And other than that, also bringing in industries so that youth can
get
get
a job.
employment. Yeah. So, but the main important thing I personally feel is upgrading the education policy. And honestly, when I was in class 10, I remembered we followed a book that was 10 years old. So I don't think that's very eligible, in this age to be following a very 10-year-old outdated syllabus. So I think that's a very important aspect to be seen. As a student, that's what I feel.
Okay, so in your point of view, you want some developmental system. Like we need more schemes, like more books, like new books, new syllabus.
Yes.
Yeah, so you need to update so that we keep on track with the times,
Yes,
right?
and also with the skills like have more coaching centers. Like I think, in my personal opinion, Meghalaya does not have a lot of coaching centers. See, if you want to do IAS training, or for example, if somebody wants to go do NDA, we don't have enough coaching centers here. We don't have at all. We usually have to go to Byju's or go to Guwahati. So I think that's also something new. A new aspect that we should see on.
So now your duty as a voter mostly is to choose who is well versed in the issues of the people, right?
Yes.
Mostly like schemes, even scholarship.
Yes.
You see that there's a billion scholarship schemes and everything, right? Then you also need like hospitals and all schemes,
Yes.
like water. So
Yes.
even now you should see the under development, like even the roads and all.
Yes.
Even as students also, we need that schemes and all, like coaching centers, like as you said,
Yes.
everything. So, do you have any more else to say?
No. Other than that, no. But like another thing that I personally feel as a citizen of this state is the management of waste. I think I see the management of waste, going in a very bad way. We have landfills. We dump the garbage anywhere we see. We can see literally on the road anywhere we want to dump. So I think that's also an important thing that we should be working on for the environment.
Yes, you want more landfills or some sustainable way of
not landfills, but sustainable way of managing the waste.
refuse.
Yes.
So that's all.
Yes, that's all.
Komentar keluar pada ikwa tentang ba yang nakabahak siya bagi komentar keluar bumensyua yang bana manu ule yu takam yu ule tip ila yang tang maka takarau berdia yu kata kasih bikin kamai pisahi kenya kejedi komentar pada kekenting ikwa bakin tresha takam dong nadi bakin kaskin bagi yu pendap takam tinle goro bari benle bat pemir kum Paidbah yang expect han haru kata-kata ba man kapuar uju yang fair tong pertong pada kakam kali lihat uju salong haju haju sementara pada ikwa tang fair na lihat kakam pendap kakam dia kata-kata ba
Mentah kami student kita kami yang miskin,
jadi kami scholarship.
Kawai balong kami, yang jitu kertong balak man ay kata skim, basta ang bam sap, berbam ke skim. Yang jit ha mi tahu kertong. Kawai kembar murat di hospital, di school, di facility babi PM di school government nation ni kita biar kata. Ni dan kami yang kita kiai. Kawai bang dan kami ni dan kata kata start ni jit kertong ubat tip ya history jong kan jela jong. Kemudian suling antun ya kerana kai ke sampai history jong. Ada kata. Sesuatu am kata hi bagi dan kam. Nakalian tapi dan kam
Kita ibati om kementan kawai di para Paidbah baru di bentuk na katangin di bentuk jet lumar bentuk jet pet bayi yang nyepet kisah kawai dengan jet sana kajing kuku bubure ulang gumno balak qualify you badan ka ini berle kakam di berle batang kata di bentuk para mengi bere sa bagi pet sa bertang gumno di benmi di bentuk jet lumar
nah kata hi kawai yang kam skim dia jet nak bertang ubari kabor kadi kabor jong ulu pertang di kasur depi mangi kasur di sakri jong ni mangi kata Malaysia buat
Firstly, aku abakin been better ya ka rukom tray but ka rukom I salary ya ki teachers because kasabab high mentang ibet baki teachers they're struggling a lot regarding their salary, regarding their position, and mostly they're not respected to that level where they need the respect more. There sa kawairu namar ba ki teachers ki they are somebody because lingba jungki hita ni poi hakani ka khilmat ba miniman di don menta lingba jungki ni kiu kat ni henjai pat kajing tre shitom jungki kam pat I se so ata na liang ka government ke kam pat I mempat UI kata kerja Arab jongki hadu kata-kata na liang jong government. So this is my urge to the government to better the lifestyle of the teachers. Thank you.
Like you are a voter, like you know your responsibility as a voter. The ni have jet economy khmat kiba start who are wise, who know have knowledge, and first and foremost kibadan kata ka jing yuma ka jing jiting tebreu teblai, who knows right from wrong, will not take your money na ban chim ka pisa jong pi ban penan kam kai jong pi ban teish na kadai na mata long idan kam ru ki hospital ki scheme ki scholarship ni. In the past 76 years ni pajudan am kam pertam kan kata lain kan dia we idan kam ne kata dia ka ba aru kalau ngomnya ba kum ki scheme ki kena ki dan kam scheme scheme yang ni ba ki kena kam scheme ka scheme ni ko scholarship ko Islam bitnya dan kam ne am taban keren kita kimat apa ka parlimen nama ka scholarship tu ki kawan apa central ada ni kata ru idan kam ni keren kita ki ki jing dan kam kata baro de sakawai ru ba kawai kalong ba kum ki kena idan kam na matebe history idan kam kita like a candidate who knows our own history malak man keren kata ada ni am balo kita kum ki scholarship ki kum mga umanay dan issue man na.
From my side, all I want to say is number ba firstly ketika scholarship jumi ki kena hi kum mani ki ba apply na do first summer there bo nangi ngidang yo ila apply na to 2022 ni yo apa 2020 this year, so there's the delay gap kala pun sebab pala tiket, and there are a lot of schemes provided by the government, we won't deny that tangba not everyone is getting the privilege to practice those schemes, but maybe because the government is not it's not applying to the campaigns, awareness programs, ban tip yang ikut students through kinoti schemes bring di ban apply more for education and for books and all. I think so from the government side they need to keep an awareness program for the people, for all the residents here in Meghalaya. We will be aware of the different kinds of schemes so that we can apply for it, and the government should not put too much restrictions can you even apply to, because when you even apply these schemes more there are too many restrictions, so what's the point of having such schemes when we can't even apply for them. So that's all I want to say.
As a student now, you don't come back to facilities ki babon having in the Shillong. Even though Shillong is the education hub, is on education kita kabyang ha, tambah kabyang ringgit jangan. Kumat ka fees vacation, but ka facilities bagi provide, ka edifis ka infrastructure ka kabyang he hero. Sementara asumi kini ki bus terms at least ka because telah kamdan ki kena bikin your lecture school ni cai, lah kamdan ka jing block. Mereka taruh if you think one way, it's just a way of getting money out of the government. Because beli nak mesyua kam jia kita. Ki school bus mesyua ki don. Sama kam jia mentapa all sudden how come? Kata no representative dula te udiban pen he should be true to his words. If he's true to his words and if he dula ben lek kat pembuang te kabyang lot. Otherwise what's the point of voting? There's no point because a vote is a choice. Ngala ben vote no taruh. They just be a waste of my vote. Kata he just that the representative should be true to his words. But so that mangiru nginyok men sim can win vote. Otherwise bring in vote. Ni shong here. Take a waste kai ka vote jangan. My vote should not be wasted. Tang kata he
saya kau ikut student dan kam yang scheme. Kum ka scholarship ru dan kam. Scheme. Tapi people yang jelas ni hospital dan kam.
Oh, dan kam
ada. Play bala urlong nadu in the past 76 years. GE berurlang gini ki. Kum like have they come? Have they you like
not yet. Tambah mentapa lah kami lama-lama kat scholarship atang yo. Misua ki scholarship jo scholarship on base yo tang ki specific people. Menta alis ka general body ru katang yo ma. Tambah kata ting ki Islam ha. Ka boy scholarship ka fees ha hapsi no. Tigiban ai shwa ban siu ka fees ken. Menta ka scholarship bayo ru bar ka fees mi hapsi ru. Tash power yo ka scholarship. Then what's the point? Kumi ka scholarship.
Ya ka kumno what is your duty as a voter kan kumno ka duty joki kum voter ka kamram joki kum voter kan
kamran jangan kum voter kadi Pemanga ngadi ban vote you tahu beliau pun rak development ya ka constituency jong ya ka country jong. Mentang vote you beliau tam bang asulong bang itu. Now that's personal bias. Tinggi hak ni hak long personal bias teng mo. Tambah dari beliau ubah hak ubah biang. Beling long personal bias. Dia mentapat ni beliau bang biang mem. Tingin vote kum lo. Because a vote is a choice. Kasyong hi. It's our choice. Kim dan belak mensyimi. Kum nangi kata ka choice.
Yeah. Kawai ru ni dalam kam hiam nomi kan what the history jong aja. Someone who is smart, who is understanding dia kan tak who is smart. Sometimes smart diberi basta tu ya lagnya. Dan kamu beri what the play na. Kata that is the main point beri what the play wa pendan kam hok ka bor jong aban chule you. Penman sakri ni. Mal uto di sakri jong ni. Umday mangi sakri jong. Kadai nam kata. Kawai hi kata badan kam. Kidan show mana?
Dekatahi kum ang ta tu beri berapa start. Because in hangnya India kum jipai ka qualification yung beriau. Kum jipai tang mentari ki beriau ki menang start ki long politician boleh money power. Dah ka pisa mentak si ang because the world revolves around money. Dia kata kawan kedai ti sisa. Tentang irang bagam ki beriau ki menang start kim dei ki nang peniyat. Because there's a difference between being smart and intelligent. If they are smart ka biang baik. Tambah you also need to be intelligent and reasonable. Mentah tambah sista yang hajong tambah kim nang peniyat ni. Kan wan mentoy show mentah kin don ni kumki politician so ada PhD ada degree lagi kin don back tambah at the same time part ki beriau berapa stang kelas 10 kita lihat bah kakam kitu sia ben ki ladan degree ki lalong kum laong tan ki sisla yo kum ka education beriau lalong reasonable laham start laham pro ka jabiang ki mentah te kum kitu ki beriau kin kum ki penyiat has khamat nok la ben khat ha ben pen kiu ya ka state jong tambah kitu ki beriau ting part khat ko ya ko kama be ma kan sio tambah kumki dari oskime itu sapla jong lah. Beli sapla jong di fakabel kum tata because nasfo like Meghalaya has one of the richest politicians. They are why rich because they are exploiting from us, extortion.
Dia kawai ni habjit hi beliau do dam ni corruption habjit hi beliau biang ada na
Tadi kata.
Betul ki kaan betul not only the ki kam ki you ni at least the rules the law. Ki the policies di ana parlimen ni direkam dan kita
Tidak kau. Tambah mendapat siung kum sudan tah constitution tah kejingtho. Hajing si syapat it's the opposite. The reality and the written thing is different. Dia dah kayak kum tar kan long shanoi kum dapat kum mengi pulih kum hikot ani ki India is such a great country, such a great state. Hajing syapat is a great state, is a great country? No, it's not. It is still developing. Kat no shop and develop. Kiwi kela develop, mengipat should develop. Kajin development ru si itang sipor mentah dari bawan ki prime minister ki surok ki bah, maselek bat ki ka surok kali lambat ki. Dia, then what's the point kata?
Kata.
Dia mau kiwan kita kepisah kami, kilik kita kepisah kali lambat ke ai kita kelong kum kepisah kelong kum kali air kan. Mentah kali sahabat channel tetap selek ki politician bah ya. Kamu ni belum kata?
Ayo nak kertang sepi mentah ka ada election MP. Urut pay ka ri ba ka jadreo. Dia ka way par kalong bau pam tay kari ka jadreo ano ka rukom ka.
Tay ka hanya gari kan kikia kan.
Kikia. Dia ka way pat kalong kum scheme ki kwa hiam kum iriu yuda. Ilang kamo. Pergi hospital ke ni kam pergi hospital ki yang babiang ko umru babiang gagas ru ayu gidan kam lam kita ko takawai bat nangi Paidbah bat ni habjet hiam yun kertong basta
Oh, din kami basta kanan basta iba
day tong basta basampang day tong basta hindi batri hok ko amko batri hok namata ngita hi habjet hangi habe Paidbah na menta yo
batri hok ye kam
dan kawai batip yang mereka menor jangan jelas batip yang history jangan jelas kayak jepari hinyo ka kawai ban pay ya kalau kadai na kung gikon giki mentang hayo jet na mi kertong ubabiang kung kayo ban penduk jat ya ka bamsab ru irang kam na am kon menta ki scheme jingi jakaban pay sapi ki pay man kita keplat tingka gitu ki ate man ki yang san malah ru malah ya ki na yang ni baki mai kata hi am ni dangkap kertong ubabiang ye
Kamu kertong ubabiang mat ba
nak kalian tu kibat yang kam ki dan banang ye
kalian
Kuntai ini aku mau bakal lawan jumi, agak peteng jumi, mau adik tu nak siu, iron kami tentu dia akan akan macam jumi, jadi boleh kita tak jumi, bagi nonton supaya mengikuti dengan duduk lo ikan ikan bamsak, buat itu nak sisar kita biang kan, balak bentuk ikan ini si janjian jumi itu, di dalam dia mau, jadi kita
Pangatahi.
Pimpin kuat nak wayu ini ngasuh, ngien ket buat.
Ya, sama. Abun setagi babam sapi bat skor mah. Da kau pat to, hilak bandan mah ki kertong balong komta. Kidan hiam ki kertong ki bahok ki bateri hok.
Wan deng bandon ki wei ki ba kham yarap lem yang ni.
Kidan kampung skim di kumkaum du kidan kam. Kajian ka skim yer du kidan kam. Mungkin wei ki skim ko min mata ki kun ki kidan kun ki ya. Kidan kam ka skim kuliah ku ki siu ki jong ki. Ku ka sekolah ya. Ki yang ku ki sekolah mentali ki sekolah sokali ki mambhara. Babon mas pac pras ki untuk menghikai wan ngomno ulang ngomno. Oi pat bagi dengkam mentadi menyelai percaya ke jing bangsat na. Kau ya jing bangsat. Kamu kajing bangsat kuno ginjin hab je kertang bersempang bastat bateri hok berengkam do bat tebreu teblai. Uta am ni de ramkai. Ingin lap uta ta ingin tak manu hab ke uta.
Ni ngalai bang, wak celat.
Ang keren batayan tu wa ayu gumle mun patut batayan tu tidak sedikit.
Wak ni un yarap lem ke yang ni. Ngilong kuat menyerap lem keng. Nak bentar cungi ki baduk ngakam tam lay. Ngi baduk kum nete nyerap lem kena kacing kacing Japan. Pateu ro uno ikmat sangi. Pateu si ong toh sito.
Ju sabra. Ju kan iur urlang kami ki kula dong. Bentar ki badan kami dan kaman ji ta bateri hok. Dam tal bateri hok pat kidan kabor hoi. Hau nota. Đây nè, nota, hầu nô rung la đấy, tàu nota rung kan buat. Kita ngihap kan mau nong mi kebat udah kasur jong ni, om kasur jong ni, min dek kasur jong ni. Itu di sakri jong ni, om dia mangi sakri jong ni, bukan kentio mangi. Kaskim ulang man brio boleh, badi nderen di Paidbah. Kayak isu kita taman ongkap, batai.
Itu kata ini.
Kacang ujung ki bakar sedikit bergelap mentah. Kayak isu ki badan kam ji mat ka awi suwi kat nu dapat kayu hancing dia ji tu. Masalah tak ada pakai lu asal baca lain deh.
Tapi put mun ye nak bentar ka ai ni sang.
Yang nak tak hok. Ikwa kasut Paidbah mun poi bantai hapok skor jeng kitu nong nikmat. Baro.
Tapi feel ada keren untuk menor nong nikmat sang ilet tu.
Dan mas ngap mah.
Dan bas ngap ka.
Tapi kwa umno la da sngap kwa lek umno yu.
Lek umno ta.
Kwa ni dia ui.
Da bud ya ud lah habut besi ya UM long em u ai kun ta kun ne. Bum ai ka yu e bum ngap kan ke e.
Ji du bas ta.
Te.
Bom bi ka spa. Bapak cak ni kalau juki wei.
Te.
Madang bu apa saya bobot balong gitu.
Ni pi.
Jangan diberi baru. Apa sih dan diberi besi. Kalau kami itu kami salah. Lagi ini, polisi boleh taruh.